Man, this is so easy, I'm not going to bother to even change the colors. Let's do this right here in black. Okay, area of a parallelogram is 24 inches squared and the height is 6. Well, we've got the area equal to the base times the height for a parallelogram. And if the area is 24 inches squared, then that's equal to the base times 6 inches, then what we need to do to solve this is to divide both sides by 6 inches. Since that's being multiplied, that will cancel out. So we divide this by 6 inches as well. And what do we get as a result? Well, on the right-hand side, we get B. And on the left-hand side, we do 24 divided by 6 is 4. And inches squared divided by inches is inches. And we find out that the length of the corresponding base is 4 inches. Man, that was an easy one.